there's a massive issue in Canada with respect to financial literacy. Canadians are not literate when it comes to their own personal finances. And why would they be? You don't learn it in the education system. The government doesn't teach it. And let's face it, personal finance is boring and it's intimidating. And that's why they just default to what they know, which are the banks, which are the insurance companies. And we realized that Canadians were missing such a big opportunity and not comparing where they could save the most. I had seen in the UK that comparing personal financial products was just a way of life. 70% of all mortgages, insurance, credit cards, and loans start online on rate comparison sites in the UK. And so when I came back to Canada and I saw that that didn't really exist in Canada, I thought, there's a big opportunity here to help Canadians make better financial choices. Most people, when they're making a financial decision, they default to one of the big 5 banks in Canada. Banks spend so much money reinforcing the fact with the Canadian public that they are the best choice for people's financial options. And so a combination of the fact that they advertise so much, they're everywhere, as well as the fact that the media pushes the big banks, and also the fact that it's just always what people have done. If you have a financial decision to make, you go to the bank, you talk to a trusted advisor there, and people think that because the banks are so large and because they have such a trusted reputation in Canada, that is their best option. Canadians don't even stop to think that there's something better out there and that there's a way that they can easily compare options. But slowly over time, as people become aware of sites like ours, and they see how much better it can be than just default going to your bank, that message snowballs. People tell their family, people tell their friends. As that happens, as it has in the UK, you're going to see the banks need to change their approach. They're not going to be able to just offer the rates that they are right now and think that people are going to walk off the street and simply accept it by default. Until more Canadians go online and compare, arm themselves with this information, and demand better, the banks don't have a reason to offer more.